Welcome back. So guys, in last video we have learned about what is cloud computing and types of cloud computing. So in this lectures we are going to learn about what is Azure and how to create free Azure accounts in Microsoft Azure portals. So first we will learn what is Azure. So Microsoft Azure is a public cloud computing platform. It's provide a range of cloud services including compute, networking, softwares, databases, analytics, storage, and other IT resources. So users can pick and choose from these services to develop and scale new application or run an existing application in the public cloud. So you can say that in Azure cloud we can get anything whatever we require for set up applications or set up a company infra setups, or we can get any storage databases. Compute means here we can create any virtual machine, any types of with any small and large configurations. We can get the securities, like in networking part we can get the securities, private networks and public networks if we require softwares, like if we want to purchase any software from any third party vendor, but we can purchase it on Azure cloud also as well. And one more benefit from cloud, like if you want to purchase any operating system or any software, so we have to pay that only when we use whenever we are using it. Like if we have purchased any operating system, so we have to purchase it on rent on Microsoft Azure. But if we have set up any infra in our office, we have private data center, then we have to purchase any operating system for a yearly base or a lifetime basis. But in Azure, in Azure case, we have to purchase any operating system, we will pay for that times only whenever we are using that. Like if we use only 1 month, 2 months, then we have to pay for that 2 months only. And if we use only 1 or 2 hours, 1 or 2 days, then we have to pay it only for 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 hours. So that is the most benefits of the cloud Azure clouds. So one more thing, Azure cloud is providing charging us per minute. Means if we are using any tools, any softwares, any operating system, any storage from Azure clouds, we have to pay for that per minute charges. Like if we are using 60 minutes, then we have to pay for 60 minutes. If we use 30 minutes, then we have to pay for 30 minutes. So that's the most benefits of the Azure. So next we are going to learn how to create Azure free accounts in Microsoft Azure portals. So let's go on the Azure portals and we will create a free accounts. So we will go on Azure portal, click here and portal.azure.com, or you can not have, you can create one account. So let's go click on create one. I will type mail ID and you can set your password. Next. After that, you will receive a code on your email ID. So let's go on Gmail. I pick my password here 1098. Next. Next. So you can set password different if it will give you an error. So it will, after enter the captcha, it will ask you for personal details. Start would maybe later. So it will ask you for the subscription type. Welcome to Azure. Don't have a subscription? Check out the following options. If you want to purchase, you can purchase here. If you want to trial, you can click on here and you get the start for with trial versions. Access student benefits. Get free software, Azure credit or access Azure Dev tools for teaching after you verify your academic status. Means whenever we are going to any certification for Azure, then Microsoft will give you the access student benefits. So let's click on start with trial free accounts. Means 1 year free accounts with 12 month subscription and $200 free credit. $200 means 13,000 something. We will get the credit in our Azure accounts. You will get the details like whatever you requires in what will you get in your free subscription trial. So create your Azure free accounts today and get started with 12 months for free subscriptions. You can click here, or you want to purchase your subscription, then you can click on buy now. And what we will get in uh, Azure free trial accounts. So what do I get? With your Azure free accounts, you get all of this and you will not be charged until you choose to upgrade. So 12 months free subscription we will get 13,300 credit we will get for 30 days, and always 25 plus free services which we can use in Azure portals. So more details, if you want to see which product are free for the 12 months, you can see there 750 hours Linux virtual machine B1S VM, and same Windows virtual machines 750 hours B1S VM. Managed it 64-bit 64 GB, blob storage, file storage, and SQL database. So we will get lots of products free here. And in the end of these screens, do I pay anything to start with the Azure free accounts? No. Starting is free, plus you get 13,300 credit can spend during the first 30 days. And what happened at the end of 12 months of free products? For 12 months after you upgrade your account, of a numbers of product are free. After 12 months you will be billed at the standard pay as you go rates. If we will use it more than 750 hours, then it will charge you as pay as you go model service. Pay as you go model means how much time we are using that services, we will get charged for that. So what happened once I use my 13,300 free credit, or I'm at the end of 30 days, we will notify you so you can decide if you want to upgrade to pay as you go pricing and remove the spending limits. If you do, you will have access to free products. If you do not, your account and product will be disabled and you will need to upgrade to resume usage. So if you want to continue use that, you have to upgrade it. If you don't, then Microsoft will disable your accounts. What do I need to sign up for a free accounts? All you need is a phone number, a credit cards, and a Microsoft or Gmail, any email, any valid email ID. So that things you required. So after that, let's click on the start free trials. Start free. Start free. After click on start free, it will ask you about your personal details. Click on the start free. You will get the try Azure for free, and it will ask you for your personal detail for profile creations. So you can enter your profile details here, RM, email address, phone number, you can mention anything. You have to provide a valid number because I have already created that accounts. I'm just showing you the demo. Organization test.com. PAN card is optional. If you want to, you can add, otherwise you ignore it. Have a valid, otherwise it will not give you in the next step. So you have to provide a valid number here. If I will provide 8826664329, test me, and I will get the message. And once it is verified, then it will ask you for your credit card details 7573 5 6. So you have to provide the valid number and verify the code. Once you verify the code, it will ask you for the credit card details, and once you enter the credit card details, then it's a final agreement and your account will get created on your Azure portals. Okay, so I'm not going to create complete accounts because I have already created accounts, so it will not allow me to create another accounts with the same credit cards. So I'm going to stop it here. If you want to see how to create complete account, you can watch my how to create Azure free accounts in my Hindi videos, so you will get the complete ideas. Okay guys, so thank you, bye bye, keep watching.